Pharmaceutical company is charged following hospital baby deaths. Neam Harris, your Newswire reports. A London-based pharmaceutical company is facing criminal prosecution following the deaths of babies at several British hospitals, police have announced. Representatives from ITH Pharma will appear in court in December charged with supplying a contaminated feeding drip to premature babies between May 27th and June 2nd of 2014. 3 babies died and another 20 needed treatment after contracting septicemia, which is blood poisoning. You die very quickly from that. The Telegraph reports the charges follow a 4-year investigation by the Metropolitan Police's Homicide and Major Crime Command after the death of a baby at Guy's and St. Thomas National Health Service NHS Foundation Trust in June 2014. The deaths of further 2 infants, one at Guy's and another at the Rosie Maternity Hospital in Cambridge, were also subsequently investigated by detectives. The investigation centered around allegations that the infants fell seriously ill and developed blood poisoning after being fed with nutrients manufactured by ITH Pharma. In all, 20 children required treatment after contracting septicemia while being treated at 6 hospitals across the UK. The infants who were being looked after in premature baby units were being given fluids as nutrition because they were unable to feed themselves. Public Health England, PHE, and the Medicines and Healthcare Products Regulatory Agency, MHRA, launched an initial investigation, but the case was later taken over by Scotland Yard. The parents of 9-day-old Yusuf Al-Karbouch, who died in June 2014, said they would never recover from what happened. He and his twin brother Abdullah were born by emergency cesarean section at the hospital at 32 weeks gestation in May 2014. While in intensive care, they were both fed intravenously, and while Abdullah was not affected, Yusuf contracted lethal blood poisoning, allegedly from the total parenteral nutrition TPN feed. Their lawyer, R.T. Shah, from Fields Fisher, said, quote, "It has been incredibly hard for Yusuf's parents to have to wait so long for a charging decision, while the company has simply been allowed to continue to trade. Yusuf's family has suffered the worst grief imaginable," end quote. ITH Pharma was founded by Adam Bloom and Karen Hamling, who are both trained pharmacists. A Scotland Yard spokesman said, quote, "ITH Pharma Limited, based at Premier Park, Northwest 10, has been charged with 7 counts of supplying a medicinal product which was not of the nature or quality specified in the prescription on 27th of May 2014. It has also been charged with failing to take all responsibly practicable steps to ensure that patients were not infected by contaminants in breach of the Health and Safety at Work Act between 1st of August 2009 and 1st of June of 2014.